here's our Coindesk Bitcoin News Roundup. The U.S. Consumer Price Index report on Tuesday is expected to show slower inflation in August, which is one of the reasons why the price of Bitcoin has been rising since Friday. Chicago Federal Reserve President Charles Evans said Thursday that the U.S. Federal Reserve will likely move ahead with an aggressive rate hike on September 22nd, even if the latest Consumer Price Index shows cooling price pressure, but that it might not have to push rates above 3.5% that soon, implying that the Fed could take a more dovish stance in the future. And day one of the Norwegian court battle between crypto Twitter personality Hodlonaut and Craig Wright, the Australian computer scientist who has long claimed to be the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin. The 7-day trial seeks to determine whether a series of Hodlonaut's tweets in March of 2019, in which he wrote that Wright's claims to be Satoshi Nakamoto were false and called him a fraud and a scammer, are protected by freedom of speech in Norway. Coindesk's Cheyenne Legon reporting that Hodlonaut's two-person legal team faced off against Wright's legal team of 9, arguing that calling someone a fraud on social media is essentially meaningless and that Wright himself is also guilty of such name-calling. And Nikhil Wahi is pleading guilty in the U.S. District Court to a wire fraud conspiracy charge, according to a Reuters report. Wahi's brother, Nikhil Wahi, is a former Coinbase product manager. The Wahi brothers were arrested in late July, charged with the Department of Justice with wire fraud and insider trading, allegedly profiting from information shared by Nikhil Wahi regarding at least 14 different listings at Coinbase. Nikhil Wahi's brother, Ishan, pleaded not guilty. And the Conservative Party of Canada is electing pro-Bitcoin leader Pierre Poilievre as party head. Poilievre won the leadership race by a landslide and plans to make Canada the, quote, blockchain capital of the world.